Hi, I'm Jeff Ansell from GS Ansell Property Consulting, bringing you top tips on renovating your property. Tip 1. Write down clear, detailed requirements listing priority tasks. Tip 2. Decide on a design style and colour scheme. If you're not sure what to do, engage the services of an interior designer to help you assess where best to spend your budget. Tip 3. Obtain 3 quotes from professional tradesmen. Calculate the cost and duration of the project. Ensure that you include 10 to 20% contingency for your budget. Tip 4. Create a schedule of works with dependencies and start and end dates. Tip 5. Confirm with your local planning authority what consents are required. Tip 6. Record all costs, key communication and agreements for evidence. Tip 7. Hold a final project review and hold back final payment for snagging issues. To help you with renovating your property, visit gsansellproperty.com.